Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Signing with Omar. Today's video is going to focus on months and related signs. Are you ready? Let's get started. Now, to sign month, let's start with that. Simply take your non-dominant hand, bring that in front of the body and form a 1. Palm faces outward. Then you'll take your dominant hand, form a 1, but this time the palm is going to face the signer. And you simply bring that dominant hand down the back of the non-dominant one. Let me show you that from the side. That is how you sign month. Now, while we're here, let's sign year. Simply take your non-dominant hand, make an S, and bring that in front of the body. Take your dominant hand, make an S and place that on top of the non-dominant hand. And from here, you'll move that forward into a circular motion until it rests right back on top of the non-dominant hand. Let me show you that from the side. That is how you sign year. Now, what if I want to say next year? It's pretty similar. You take your fists or your S's and put them on top of each other, but with the dominant hand, it flicks forward into a 1. Let me show you that from the side. Next year. But what if you wanted to say the prior year? Simply take both hands like they were, the dominant on top of the non-dominant, both of them S's. Then you'll take that 1 and flick backwards. Show you that from the side. That is how you sign prior year or last year. Now for the months of the year. They're pretty simple. Basically what you're doing is finger spelling them. Some are abbreviated and some are not. For example, January, J-A-N. That is abbreviated and that's all you do for January. February also is abbreviated. Simply take F-E-B. That is February. For March, that one's not abbreviated. You finger spell the whole thing. M-A-R-C-H. That is for March. April is not abbreviated. You finger spell the whole thing. A-P-R-I-L. April. May, since it's so short, you finger spell the whole thing. May, M-A-Y. June, it is also finger spelled the whole thing. J-U-N-E. June. July, you finger spell the whole thing. J-U-L-Y. July. August, though, is abbreviated. A-U-G. September is also abbreviated. S-E-P-T. September. October is abbreviated. O-C-T. October. November is abbreviated as well. N-O-V. And December is abbreviated. D-E-C. So these are the simple ways of just signing the months. Now, when you're looking at the months, usually you'll see them on a calendar. So let me show you how to sign calendar. Simply take your non-dominant hand, bring that out in front of the body. A lot of times I'll just remove or bring the thumb close to the other fingers or closer, almost as if it's closed. And then I'll take the forehand of the dominant hand, bring that down and then across. That is how you sign calendar. Now, when you're signing, maybe you wanted to point out the first week or the second week or the third week on a calendar. Simply take your non-dominant hand, and we do know these begin to represent weeks. So we do know that in general, there's 4 weeks out of each month. So if I was talking about maybe the second week, I would go, so first week, second week, third week, and fourth week. So if I wanted to talk about the third week, I just point to that week, that finger right there. This is how you sign calendar and the different weeks within the calendar. So let's talk about seasons. We do have summer, winter, spring, and fall. So let me show you how to sign summer. Simply take your dominant hand, bring that across and form a hook. Across the forehead, forming a hook. That's how you sign summer. For winter, it's like I'm bundling up. I take my hands in front of the body and I'll make S's or A's. Kind of assimilate that I am cold. So that's how you sign winter. For spring, simply take your non-dominant hand, bring that out in front of the body, kind of make a C with it, but it's on the side. Then you'll take the dominant hand, and it's as if something is growing out of the non-dominant C. That is how you sign spring. And for fall, simply take your non-dominant hand, place that out in front of the body with the palm facing down. Then you'll take your dominant hand, bring the fingers together, and you'll like swap the back of the elbow of the non-dominant hand. That is how you sign fall. So I hope you've learned something from this video. If you did, please hit the like button and then hit the subscribe, and last but not least, hit the notification button and stay tuned for my next ASL video.